from Urban Agents, and today I'm going to show you another rare penthouse unit. This is a totally bare unit where you need a lot of planning imagination to make it into a fabulous home for you and your family. You would ask me, why show you a bare unit? You have seen many videos of beautiful homes and yet more and more beautiful homes. But ALBA bare unit is very unique. Why? You can actually design what you want, the type of floorings, the type of furnishings, how many bedrooms, all up to your discretion and do your designer's dream. Make ALBA a dream of homes for yourself and your family. As you walk out from your private lift, you'll be greeted by this huge space that could easily turn out to be a very comfortable space for your living and for your dining. And look at the magnificent view of the skyline. Marina Bay Sands is over at the other end, and you have very nice view of the Istana from here too. Just a good place to relax and chill. Throughout this penthouse, we have floor-to-ceiling windows. It gives a lot of natural sunlight in. It gives you a very, very bright sunny feel. And while you're sitting in your living room, you can really appreciate nature around you. The dining and living room also has a terrace. You can easily convert this into a garden to complement all the greeneries that you see outside. You can have a very beautiful breakfast area here where you can enjoy your morning looking at the Singapore skyline. And also, the interesting to note about building your own kitchen is that you can choose the type of appliances that you want, the type of fridge, design of your cabinets. The choice is open. Coming to this huge area, this is where the bedrooms are. ALBA has 5 bedrooms, 1 near the swimming pool, which I will bring you later, and 4 are located in this space. As I've mentioned, there are 4 bedrooms in this area, and it also comes with a family area. However, you can reconfigure these bedroom sizes to your specifications. All the bedrooms have got very nice views of the surrounding. From floor to ceiling windows, lots of sunshine coming in and good ventilation too. This is the 5th bedroom, very bright and airy, a good place to turn into a study room or guest room. It's very near the swimming pool too, which I'm going to show you now. Let's go. Coming up to your private deck, you have your own pool, jacuzzi. And look again at the amazing views of the Singapore skyline. Imagine during National Day and the New Year, when you invite 20 of your friends over to your home, you have an exclusive view of the fireworks at night. A beautiful home needs to be dressed. And let me show you how the interior design and furnishing play an important role to make your home the perfect home. Potentially, this is how your penthouse could look like. This penthouse is 6,437 square feet. It is on the highest floor of ALBA, which is on 18th floor. Wonderful view outside of the skyline. Perfect clear view of Istana and the Marina Bay Sands. And facilities such as swimming pool, children play area, dining area, club area, and also a concierge on ground level. If you like this unit and you need more information, please do WhatsApp me or call me. My name is Tina from Urban Agents, and if you like such videos, please do subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you again soon.